Hey, how's it going? Chuck here, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video I'm going to be going over some Wing Chun turning drills that you can follow along with and practice your turning at home. If you don't know anything about Wing Chun, I'll have a playlist pop up either right there or over here, and you can go check out some basic Wing Chun videos going over the footwork and punch, a couple other things as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be going over some turning drills so you can work on your turning, follow along and work on your turning at home. And next we're just going to jump into the garage and I'm going to get to the drills. So for this first drill, go ahead and get set up in your Kimi Ma. Make sure your feet are at 60 degrees, and this is where you want your feet to come back to when you turn back to center. For this first drill, just going to be focusing on turning one foot at a time, punching with the turn, and then turning back to center, punching 2 times, turning the other direction, punch, turn back to center, punch 2 times, focusing on turning just 1 foot at a time, about 30 degrees for that 1 foot. And then turning back to center, checking the feet, are they at 60 degrees when you come back to center? It helps to have a line. As you see, I've taped a line onto the floor that should be running through your arches in your feet. Next is going to be a turning drill without the punches. This is just starting at center, turning right, turning back to center, turning left. The line should be running through your arches the whole way through. So you turn to the left, arch should have the line running through the center of them. You see how it adjusts there. And turn. Also, you want to try to focus on keeping your back straight and head up. You'll see me actually realize that I'm hunching over. You can see I'm hunching over here, and soon I'm going to turn right there. See, I stood up. Oh yeah, I was hunching. Coming back to center, feet at 60 degrees. Go ahead and check. That's the purpose of the line. Next is the same drill, except adding in 3 punches with the turn. So starting to the left, 3 punches, turn back to the center, 3 punches, other direction, 3 punches. You can do this for as many times as you can. Remember, the focus of all of these drills is the turning. So you can be kind of casual up top because we're focusing on our turn with all of these drills. And last, we're going to be turning all the way around. So there's going to be no pause in the middle. So I adjusted my feet again, a couple more with turns with the punches, and the last drill you can do that I cover here is turning all the way around. Check that line, make sure it's running through the middle of your feet. Make sure you're turning 1 foot at a time with this, turning the outside foot first, all the way around. All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Those drills are common for the school. We were working on some of those just recently. So go ahead, practice your turning. Let me know if you have any questions about turning or Wing Chun, martial arts in general. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it out to anybody else who you think might find that video helpful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get notified of future ones as they come out. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.